Just did a short here on this bike. I'm going to do a bit of a longer video. Is it zoomed out, right? I did a video here about 2010, I think. Got my Specialized Alley bike. I was really happy with it. I loved that bike. And I did about a 42-mile ride when I first got it. I loved it. Still got it. Still love it. It's awesome. It's just yeah, I kind of use it as a winter bike, but this bike is really fast. I've got the Continental GP 5000s. That's a really fast tyre, even for UK roads. The UK roads are just crap. It does make a difference when you've got faster tyres. I think it's a Paradigm, Bontrager Paradigm RL seat. Ultegra Group's it's 11 speed. We've got the Parkour carbon rims, Shimano Ultegra brakes. I don't know what model these are, but they're very good. This bike just shifts so well, it's unbelievably well. I think it's a 50-34 crank, I think, compact crank. We've got the XTR, I forget what these are now, XTR PDM 9000s, great durable pedals. And just something just on eBay, the bottle cage, camelback bottle, which is good, BPA free I think, so you don't get the cats. It's Brighton Rider 530, cat eye mirror to see behind. Not that anyone overtakes me on the bike, that's for sure, but cars, yeah, car drivers. Yeah, I think that is it's a 28, 1128. Yeah, it's a great bike, love it, really fast bike, really easy to go long distances. Obviously vegan diet helps. Parkour wheels, very good, very good. Lots of little spiders about. Lots of little spiders today. Beautiful day. Started off a little bit cold, but the sun's coming out now. It's amazing. But yeah, really enjoying today's ride. It does. I've got, yeah, that's another thing. I've got the 4i power meter, which isn't connected today. Because I use my Stages one. You do have to keep reconnecting with the Garmin. So I just thought, you know what? I'll just take an easy ride today and not worry about the power meter. But I do like having the power meter. I rarely ride without it. So yeah, that's the bike check. Love this bike. I'm actually doing another carbon build at the moment, just sourcing the parts, but that will be coming up very soon. For those of you that are into cycling. Yes. Have a good one.